Alright, this is the 5th take, so hopefully I can get this correct this time. So yeah, welcome back. Today's the Pi Day, which is the 14th of March, so 3.1415, so technically tomorrow is a Pi Day as well, so Pi Day Eve, I don't know. Anyway, so let's do some Pi Day special, which we're going to calculate pi by hand. So using this guy's theory, we will get pi on 4 equals to 1 minus pi on 3 plus 1 on 5 minus 1 on 7 plus 1 on 9. So basically all the reciprocal of the odd numbers and then oscillating plus or minus each other will actually get closer and closer to pi. So if you actually plot this thing, which you can't because they are like regular intervals, but you would get something like pi, so this is y equals pi, and you have something that oscillates and then oscillates smaller and smaller, which get closer and closer to pi. So here we go. If we multiply both sides by by 4, we will get pi is equals to 4 minus 4 on 3 plus 4 on 5 minus 4 on 7 plus 4 on 9 minus and and that just keeps going forever and ever. So now we have pi is actually equals to 4 minus 4 on, okay, so 4 minus 4 on 3, and 4 on 3 is okay, what is it? So okay, 4 is that 4 divided by 3, 0.001 that's 133. Okay, so 13333. 4 minus 1.333 is equal to 2.66666. That thing just recurring forever and ever. So next one is plus 4 on 5, which really just 0.8. So that is equals to 3.466666. So we're getting closer to pi. It's a good sign. So the next one, we have to subtract it by 4 on 7, which is a mess. 4 on 7. Okay, let me set this up. 4.00. How many decimal digits do you want me to do? I don't know. 4 divided by 7, that's a 0 at the front. 5, that gives us 35, left plus a 5. If we want to get rid of 5, we have to put 7 there, that's 47, that gives us a 1 left. So 1, 7, 6, wait, what? Yeah, 1. Yeah, there's 1 left, so there's 10, so 1, and that will give us 3 left. 3 left, so there's a 4, 28, so 2 left, 14, so that's 2, and then there's a 6 left there. Yeah, 6 left, so that's an 8. 56, 4. Oh yeah, alright, there we go, we got 4 again. So that's 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, and that just recurring forever. Okay, here's the hard bit. When you usually subtract one number by another, you do it backwards. But since pi never ends, I can't really do it backwards, can I? So I have to try to do subtraction from the left to right, which is strongly not recommended. 4, 5, so I know that will be a 2. So the next one is 6, 7, but that already... So this will give us 2.9, but then the 7 is larger than 6, so that will give me a 2.8. 2.876, so that's done. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is... wow, what is it? How can I not know this? Okay. 7... wait, what? Okay, that should give us a 9 because, yeah, 7 minus 6, 9, 9 plus 7 is 6. And because that's smaller than 6, so that's no problem. That's a 5. What is it? Yeah, that should give us a 5, I guess. Okay, yeah, 2, 8, 9, 5. Yeah, so that's give us a 5. Next one is 4. 4, that's okay, there's no issue. 2, there's no issue. Okay, there is issue because next one is 8. So 8 minus 6, so that's something. So that's 8. So that becomes a 3, 8. 3, 8. Actually, I can't do 8. Okay, the 5 is no issue, but then the next one there's an issue there. So 1, that should be 0 then. So minus 7, that should be a 9. Next one, no issue. That becomes a 5. So okay, so this is start to repeat itself. All right. So now we are up to here, and we have to plus it by 4 or 9. Ugh. Why did I get myself into this? Okay, so 4 divided by 9. 4 over 9. Oh yeah, 0.4. 36. Okay. Oh yeah. I should have known this. Okay, that's 36. That's 11. So 4. So let's repeat this. So yeah, that's 0.4444. How can I not know this? Okay. Anyway. But this ugly thing plus this ugly thing, it's not going to look well, is it? Because we have to do it from the left again, which is not a good experience. We have to look ahead of us, so that should give us a 2, but because we have 9 at the back, that should give us a 3, and then that's supposed to give us a 3, but because we got 5 is fine, so that's 3. 5, that's 9. 2 plus that's 6. Now we got 8 at the back, so that would becomes an 8, and then this one becomes a 2. 0 times 4, that's alright. Oh, actually that's not right because we got 9 at the back, so that becomes a 3, and then 9 won't be bothered doing anymore. Subtract it by 4 over 11. No, that should be an easy one. Yeah, easy, I guess. Over 11, 0.3, that's a 33, 33 left us a 7, so 6, 66, 4, wait, what? Okay, so that's 36, 36, dot. So 3.33 subtracted by this ugly thing. Okay, what is this equals to? Okay, let's look ahead. So that's gone, so that must be 2.9 something. So yeah, because that's larger than 3, so this gone, and then that becomes a 3.9. 3 and 6. 3 and 6, yeah, that's fine. So next one is fine, but we just did that. So 3, 6, 7, and that should give us a 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus, did I say that's a 3 or a 6? Yeah, 3, 6, 3, 6, that's a 3. So where am I? The third digit, so 6 minus 3, that's a, wait, what? Okay, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3, that give us that 6 over there. Next one, 6 minus 6 is 0, I'm not sure what that, 6 minus 6 is 0, 8 minus 3 is 0, 5, but 8 minus 3 is 5, 6 minus 2, that's a problem, so that becomes a 4, 6. Next one is 5, 3, that's okay. 3 minus 6, that's a problem, so 1, 7. 9 minus 3, that's fine. And then I don't know what the next one is, so let's just leave it here. And the next sequence will be plus 5 on 3, plus 4 on 13. What's 4 on 13 now? Oh, seriously? So 4.000 13. Yuck. 2, 3, yeah, okay. 3, that's a 39, that gives us a 1 left. I can't do anything there because, so that gives us a 0, so now I have a 100 left. What can I do with 113? 13, 113, 4, 5, 6, wait, no, 7, 8. 8. No, 8 is too big, so 8. 7. 91. So 7 gives us a 91. 9 left. 91. Okay, so that would be 6 because, 6. So that's a 6. 19 minus 78. 19 minus 78. 20, 20, 12. So we go, but there's another 0 at the back, so that is 120 left. 120, so I'm guessing that's a 9, is it? 120, that's a 9 left, I think. So, yep, that's a 9 left there, and then there's 120, so that's a 30 left. 30 left, that will be 2. 2, that'll be a 40 left. Oh yes, 307693. And then because we got more digit here, so that should be fine. Okay, let's just write a few more because oh, that's plus. Okay, so that's relatively easy. That becomes a 3 because I'm looking ahead. That's 3 9. So 3 9, that becomes a 2. 0 plus 7, that's fine, but the next one is not fine, so 7 becomes an 8. 0 plus 7, 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7 was 6 plus 7. It's just 3. 0 plus 6 is fine, next one is not fine, that becomes a 7. That will become a 4 plus 9, that is 3. 6 plus 2, that's fine, that's 8. 1 plus 3, that's fine, that's 4. 7 plus 0, that's fine. But next one is not fine, so 0 becomes 1. 6 plus 3, that's 3, and then after that, I don't know. Whew. Now, this thing has to be subtracted by 4 over 15. Alright. 4.00 then 0 whole thing over 15. This is 0.3. That gives us a 10 left. So that's not enough. So that becomes 100 left. 115. So that's a 2 will give us a 36. Will give us 90. And that's a 6 to 90. There's another 100. Oh, that's easy then. Okay. Now we're subtracting this by that. That doesn't look right. Because, okay, actually, I don't have look. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's just keep going. 3.28 minus 0.30. That is equals to the, well, that's definitely 2 point something, but there's a 0 at the back, so that's fine-ish. So that's a 9 here. Yeah, that should be a 9 here. And then that's 8 minus 0, but then there's a, so that becomes a 7. And then 8 minus 0, because that becomes a 7. 3 minus 6 then naturally becomes a 7. And then 8 minus this is fine, that's not fine, that becomes a 0. 3 minus 6 becomes a 7. 3 minus 6. Yeah, 3 minus 6, that becomes a 7. 8 minus 6, that's fine. Next one, not fine. That becomes 8 minus 6, 2, 1. 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6, that's an 8. The next one is not fine. 8, so 8 becomes a 7. 1 minus 6 is 5. 3 minus 6, that's a, oh wait, hang on, 3 minus 6, so that becomes a 4 and that becomes a 7. Yeah, I probably made a mistake somewhere around there, and I don't really care that much now. We'd like to get this finished. Alright, so next one is plus 4 over 20. Finally, we have an easy one. That's equals just plus 0.2. Plus 0.2. I'm really suspicious right now. Okay, let's have a look at the pattern. 3.46, 3.33, so that's decreasing. 3.28, that's decreasing. 2.89, 2.97, 2.977, 2.976. Okay, so we're getting closer and closer to pi. So that's alright. Plus 0.2, that just simply becomes 3.177071747. Oh, we're getting closer and closer to 3.14. Yes! Yes! Alright. Okay, but I shouldn't know it's 2. Yeah, I'm assuming that I didn't know it's 3.14, but anyway. Plus 0.2, so that's plus, and I have to subtract it by 4. Oh, did I just say 4 over 20? Why did I say 4 over 20? It should be 4 over 19. That's... Why did I say 20? Okay, something weird going on. No, that's equals to plus 4 over 17, which is ugly. Okay. Yeah, probably because 20 is a even number. So then it have to be subtracted plus by like a denominator has to be an odd number. Why did I? Yeah, probably I was doing this ugly thing too much. I want to do an easy one. So that's 3, 4, 6 left, 60. I'm guessing it's 3. Yeah, 3 works. well, it has to be 3, and then 9 left, 90. 17, 5. 5, I put 6 in there. No, 6 is too big, it has to be 5. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh yeah, 5 works. 5, and then there's a 50 left. 50. So I know 50, then I know 3. So 3 is 51, so it has to be 2 then. So 2 is a 34, so 50 minus 34. That gives us a 16. 16, that's not big enough, so that's 160. 160, I'm guessing a 90. Oh wait, hold on. 9, 1, 5, 1, 5, 3. Yeah, 9 works. 1, 5, 3. So there's a 70 left. 5 is this, so I'm guessing 4 will work in there. Yeah, 4 works. That'll be 20 left. 20, that'll be just 1, and that'll just left 3. Still haven't recurring yet. So 3, what goes in 3? No, 2 doesn't. Yeah, 2 doesn't work. So that has to be 1. Put 1 in there. That'll be 130 left. 130 left. Oh. Okay. 17, 130, 34, 5, 6. 5 to this, 6. No, probably try 7. 119. If I add another 17, that's 1. What is it? 136. Yeah. So it has to be 7. So that's 119. That'll be 110 left. Why would you do this to me, math? Well, I'm doing this to myself, really, but it's fun. I mean, relatively. I mean, yeah. That's a 60 left. So 60 left. Yes, finally, we got a recurring series. So we established as 3, so next one must be 5, 2, 0, 9, 4, 1, 1, 7, 6. Alright, so we have to take this, add this on. Oh, okay. Then that must be, well, 3 point something. That's 3.1, I guess. No, 3.2, because we got the issue here. And that should be a 0, but because there's a 1, and then 5, 7. 5, 7 becomes a 2. 0 plus 2, that's 2. 7 plus 0, that's fine. But the next one is not fine. 7 plus 0 becomes an 8. 1 minus 0 becomes a 0. But the next one will be make it 1. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, no, next one, okay, next one just 8, and then the next one I don't know. 3.212. Okay, so I'm still on the right track, getting closer to pi. Where am I going to put this? I'm going to put this there. Yay! Alright, next one. So now we have, let me just copy that out, 3.21228118. So last time we added by 4 on 17, now we have to subtract it by 4 on 19. Okay, 4 on 19, so 4.00, a lot of zeros. I guess I don't need that many. But anyway, over 19. So 0.2, 19, 38, 2 left, I can put 1 in there, so 1 left, I can't put anything, so 100 over 19 again. So I have 100 over 19, 100 over 19. Oh wait, hang on, that's just 5, isn't it? Yeah, and then there's a 50 left. 3, no, 3 won't work. So I have to put 2 in there. To put 2 back in there. So if I put 2 back in there, about 38. 50 minus 38 is 12. That becomes 120. 120, then that'll be 6. Yes, that'll be 6. 114, that'll be 60 left. So that's a 60 left. 57. Yep, so that would be, what is it, what would we get? 3, 37, 3 left, so that would be 1, 19, so that would be 11, 110 left, 110, no, that's too big, so 110 must be 5. If I put 5 in there, that would be 95. I'm just guessing, yeah, it's 95. 95, if I put in there, that would be 150 left, 150, then I can't put this one in. 19 times something, it's just a little bit smaller than 150. So if I imagine there's 2 in there, 7, 8, try 8. 1, 8, 8, 8. I'm losing my enthusiasm now because this is really tiring. And so 7, 9, 7, 133, 3, 133, and then 150. It's not 20, it's 17. 117. Okay, I think we got enough digits. Okay, let's just do it. Okay, equals to 3 point. That minus that, that minus that. Okay, 0, 0, 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 should be 2, but because the next one's up, that becomes a 1. 2 minus 5, that becomes a 7. And this one's fine, but next one is not fine. So 2 minus 8 minus 2, that becomes a 6, but because of the next one, that becomes a 5. 1 minus 6, that becomes a 1 minus 6, that becomes 3. No, it's not 3. What am I doing? It's a 5. Okay, no, it's a 4 actually, because 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is no good. 1 minus 3, that is equals to an 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Let me write this out again nicely. 7, 5, 4, 8, 7. Plus 4 over 21. Yes, it's 21, not 20. That's the mistake I made before, which is annoying. So 21. Oh wait, no. Okay, I don't have eraser here, so anyway, 4.0000 over 21. 0.1, 21, if I put 21 in there, that becomes a 19 left. 190 and 21 is an 8. 8, that would be 100. Is it 8? Oh, it's a 9. No, it's a 9. Put 9 there. So that would be 189, 189, 190. That would be a 20. 20 left, can't do anything. 200 left. 200 left is still a 9. So that would be 189, 189. That would be 11. So 11, 109 left. That would be a 5. Wait, please don't tell me this goes in nicely. No, it doesn't. 5, that's 105, so that's a 50 left. If I have 50 left in there, that would be 2, 220, that would be 42. 42, that would be 80 left. 80, I can't put 4 in there, so definitely I can put 3 in there. So 3, that would be 63. 63 minus 80 is 17. I'm gonna 170 left. 170. I'm thinking about 170, that's an 8. I can't put 9 there, but so I can put 8 in there. 100, so I did 168, that will be a 20 left. So we've done 20 before, that's a 0. 9, 5, 2, 3, 8, 0. Okay. So we're adding that number. Okay, good. It's addition, not subtraction now. So 3.01, that's fine. 9, that's fine. 1, that's fine-ish because we got a 9. 9 plus 7, that should be a 6, but because of the next one, 6 becomes a 7. 5 plus 5 is 0, because the next one is fine. 2 plus 5 is supposed to be a 6, but that becomes a 7. 1 plus, so 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 is supposed to be a 1, but because of the next one, that would be 2. 7 plus 8 is 3, is that? Yeah, it's a, no, it's not 3, what is it? It's a 5. Okay. At least we're getting closer to 3.14, isn't it? So now we have to subtract it by 4 over, what is it? 4 over 23. Should we just stop now? Man, this is a very exhausting list. Okay, let's see. Monitor on 3.04. I think I made a mistake already, but anyway, you can find the mistakes. So, we have 4.00000, that thing divided by 23. So now I have 0.1, 23, 23, that will give us a 17 left, 170, 170, so 23 times something gives us 170. 5 on X, 6, no, 7, no, 7, oh, maybe 7, 8, 7, 8, 8. Not 8 is too big. Not 7. So 161, that will leave us 90 left. 90, what can I do? I can't put 4 in there. I'm gonna try 3. Yeah, 3 will work. 3, if I put a 3 in there, that is 3. And that'll be 69. 69, 90 minus 69. I shouldn't do this, but anyway. So wait, I can't put 3 in there. Can I put 4 in there? Wait, oh wait, I probably could put 4 in there. 23 and 4. No, I can't, can I? Yeah, 92, that's too big. 23 and 3, 69, so 90 minus 69. That is 20, oh yeah, 21. Yeah, that was it, 21. So now it becomes a 210, 210 over 23, 210 and 23, 210 over 23, what is it? 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, maybe 9. Oh, yeah, maybe 9. ooh, that's close. Okay, so a 9 will work in that, and then that becomes 207. 207, that becomes a 30. So what can I do with the 30? I can put 1 in there, and that becomes a 70. 70, that's no, that's 70. I can put 3 in there. 17, if I put 3 in there, that'll be a 10 left, which I can't do anything, and that'll turn to 100. Then I can probably put 4 in there, double check. Oh, I've done it, 92. So put 4 in there, 92, that'll be an 80 left. 80, so that's 92, 4, 3, so 3 is 96, so I can put 3 in there. That's 69, 69 minus 80, 20, 20, 11, 110, 110, see if I can put 5 in there, no, 5 is, yeah, 5 is too big, so I have to put 4. So 4 again is 92, 92, 110 minus 92, that's 8, that'll be 18, that'll be 180. Okay, I think I have enough digit right now, let's just keep going, next one. So subtracted by this will equal 3 point, that goes to 0, 9 minus 3, but the next one is not fine, so next one, 9 minus 3 should be a 6, that becomes a 5, 2 minus 9, what did I say, 2 minus 9, that becomes a 3, next one is fine, so that's okay, 7 minus 1 should be a 6, but next one is not fine, that becomes a 5, 0 minus 3, that becomes a 7, 7, yeah, next one is fine. 7 minus 0 is fine. That should be 7, but next one is not fine. That becomes a 6. 2 minus 4. What's 2 minus 4 again? Okay, 2 minus 4 is 8. Next one is fine, so that's an 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. Plus 4 over 25. Finally, we have an easy one. 0.16. Yes. Finally have an easy one. So plus 0.16. Yay. Alright. Plus 0.16 plus 3.1, that becomes a 2. 5 becomes a 1. 3.21, 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 2. It feels like I made a mistake. Because the number is getting larger again. Okay, made a mistake. Great. Alright. How about let's just conclude it here. So after 30 minutes of playing around, I realized that I made a mistake somewhere. which is not very good, because once you made a mistake here in approximation, then you can't go back unless you trace my mistake somewhere. And yeah, okay, so let's just stop here. And how much delta do we have? So 3.1415. That's a 0. I should have do it from the right, but anyway, 0. That's the next one. 0. Oh, actually, we're not too off. That's a 6. That's a 7. 2 0. Yeah, okay. We're not too off. We're not too off. 0.03, which is actually better than our physics experiment, because in physics experiment we consider 20% or usually 10% error as fine. So now I'm within the margin of error. Okay, 30 minutes to calculate pi and 10% error, which is whatever. What a waste of time.